guys, my name is Hassan from the Eternal Warriors and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I will show you a brand new site that I have discovered, renderfrost, and how you can make a complete free logo, add an intro without any watermark. You can create the logo without any watermark. So by clicking the description down below, you can just get started. Now, do you want a logo, a website, a mockup, or a video? Now we'll click logo for now because we want a logo. Now, for purposes, I'll just this is a scenario that I want a logo for my shop. It's a stationery shop, and then I'll say the name can be station like that. Stationery, like station army, like something like that. Now once you've done that, you can just add a tagline. Now this is optional. You can just do the best stationery now, and then you can choose your description, like what do you want. I want a logo for my stationery shop, stationery shop which sells stationery, of course, and books and other appliances. Now once you've done this, you can just click next, and you can choose what type of logo do you want. Do you want a gradient? Do you want an emblem? Do you want alphabetical? Now, in my opinion, I recommend the AI one because basically it combines all the styles and chooses the best one that the AI feels is good for you. Now, at the start, this one is the AI feels the best. Now, if you scroll down, they're like the best stationery, and you can just you can scroll down and down and down and down. Like this one, I like this one. This one is good. I'll just choose this one. It came, and then you can do edit and you can do download. Now once while this is loading in, yeah, you can change it. I want it a bit big. You can do this, and you can change the icon, you can change the color, you can change the text, you can change anything. You can just do download. Now just click free, and basically once you have done that, yeah, it's easy. Now the thing about renderfrost is it is completely free and unlimited. You can make unlimited logos. I made all of these logos. I made one even for my website, from this YouTube channel right now that you are viewing this video. Now you just click download. It's easy, and once you have done this, yeah, it's downloading and it's done. Now once it's done, it'll come in your downloads folder, and it's easy. Now there's even the Android app. I said no way. Now you can actually, now the other part of this video, now this is without what you call watermark, but there are even intros like the one that I use in every single one of my videos. Now but these ones actually you can choose not, or not, like you can choose not, or like you can choose them, because basically they're with the watermark. If you don't like the watermark, then you can just buy the premium account, or there are many other sites which do without what do you call watermark, but I like this one the best because it's the most graphic, it's the most, in my opinion. Now I like this one because like it's like colorful and stuff, and you can just click animate now. Now once it's while it's animating, I would like to remind you guys that please, I would really appreciate it if you scroll down and hit that subscribe button and like this video. I'm busy with my normal life, and it's a bit hard making these videos. I would really appreciate if you guys can do it. Now you can just, yeah, www.renderfrost.com. You can change your text like what's that, station array, and then you can do the style, like which style do you want. Now there's these. Now you can choose which color do you want, basically like this one is like this, and there are many, you can choose whatever you want. Now there's the music, which is this, and then you can just click preview with watermark, because as I told you guys before, this is video. Now it says your video is in a queue. It will be ready soon, and you can just leave your page, and it will come in the My Projects page. So once it's downloading, I would like you guys to check my other videos. Just pause this video. Now, as you guys can see, it says 56, it does 57, and it just continues to export. It's really fast. It only takes about 1 minutes, even less than that. It says it's 2 minutes, but for me it's like 1 minute. It renders, and then you can, yeah, it came here. Yeah, it came here, and then you can just click download. And you once you've just clicked download, it takes about 1 minute 30 seconds, less than 1 minute, and you can publish, you can share, and you can just, yeah, once it's done, like use it to create, like this one. I like this one, network globe logo. There are hundreds and hundreds of different templates that you can use. You can make your own. This website, in my opinion, is one of the best websites to start your channel, the website, your restaurant, because it basically gives you everything you need and more. You can build a website if you want. You can build a website and then make the logo for the website in this one site, if that makes sense. Now, once it downloads, I will see you guys then. As you guys can see, it's right here, and there you go, guys. That's pretty cool. Stationary. That's cool. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds more of these different, like if you want to make another, you can just click create video, and if you guys don't like this, you can just go back to editing. You can, what do you call, yeah, you can do intros and logos, you can do YouTube intros, you can minimal logos, you can do all of this. I just get YouTube intros, music videos, you can do presentations, you can do animation videos. This one I really like, it's igniting. Now this one, this simple particles, nice. And this one is also pretty cool. Now this is a TikTok one. If it loads in, we can check it out. Yeah, TikTok one, nice. Pixelating logo. There are hundreds and hundreds and more of these logos. Like, I can just scroll down forever. Okay, and there are more pages and more stuff, and in my opinion, it's great. You can do object fragments. So this is it for this video, and I just want to say thank you for making this part of this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time.